If you are experiencing verification issues on Lyft after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem and get back to using the app. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the information you provided during the sign-up process is accurate. This includes your name, phone number, email address, and any other required details. Any discrepancies can lead to verification failures. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Lyft app. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates. An outdated app may cause verification issues. Step 3. Clear cache and data. If you are using an Android device, go to your device settings, find the Lyft app, and clear the cache and data. For iOS users, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app. This can help resolve any temporary glitches affecting the verification process. Step 4. Contact Lyft support. Before starting recovery, use the SROC account link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for a response. After contacting support, be patient and wait for their response. They may require additional information or provide specific instructions to help you complete the verification process. Follow their guidance carefully. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve verification issues on Lyft and continue using the service without further interruptions.